Hello everyone! Finally it's happening! On December 29th I will get the Hyundai Kona Electric 64 kilowatt hour battery in the premium edition. I'm getting it for a test drive from the dealership. I will get it around noon on this Saturday, and I will have it till January 2nd, so 3.5 days. That's right? Yeah, should be right. So I can do most of my tests. One problem, I thought it wouldn't happen, and it doesn't happen. I'm not allowed to drive the 1100 kilometers that I wanted to, but understandable, the car is already sold for someone, and it's just their test drive car right now. I'm allowed to drive 400, so I should be able to do all my acceleration and consumption tests and everything and show the car and everything. But I won't be able to do the long distance Prague tour that I wanted to do, and I will not be able to go to the Ionity charger to charge it there as well, because it's 300 kilometers there and back, so that won't happen. That's a bit sad. But everything else I can do, and I thought I also will do, if you guys are interested, I want to do a live stream on Sunday, so the December 30th. What is that? This Sunday in a week? No, Sunday in 2 weeks. Yeah. So I will do that. I'm guessing around noon, European time, German time, or maybe later. No, let's do it at 2. Let's do it at 2 p.m. German time. Then it's still light out. You can see something, and maybe some people in the States or in Canada are already awake. It's a Sunday, so I'm really excited about this. I'm very happy. I can't wait. It will be a lot of fun. Of course, sad that I can't drive as much as I wanted to, but I can have it longer than I expected. I expected only 2 days, and now 3.5. That's really good. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great day and take care. Bye.